Here in the membership program, it's been running for 2 years. And thank you for all the existing members, but also the new ones that are considering the membership. Together with Salty, we're going to tell you all about it. Oh my goodness! Oh, Jesus. It's like the millionth take. We've got 2 memberships for you. The first one is the cheapest option, and it's called Passport. And in the Passport membership, it's a quick thank you for the free videos that you're getting, as well as a bit of communications behind the scene of what's happening around the crochet crowd, as well as your inspirations and any live events that we're going to do. So it's just a quick thank you. But if you were looking for a backstage pass, getting all access to the videos that are in hold mode, waiting for the public, and also exclusive communications when it comes to trying some free patterns and more, the Journey membership is the way to go. And the Journey is allowing you to have a backstage pass to those videos that are being held for the public for a later time. So it's a bad thing to do all these videos today and push them out tomorrow. We have to queue them up and wait. And so you, as a Journey member, do not have to wait. Also with the Journey members, sometimes I give away a free pattern behind there because I'm working on it, and the Journey members can help make it even better. So they're part of the process to be able to help test, but also early access to be able to do that. So when we do stitch alongs and all of that kind of stuff, they're already in the Journey membership as they're going. Now, when it's in Journey membership, they are going out as they're coming off of my desk. So it's even before Diane comes along and does the closed captioning for all of that. And why does there have to be a siren in the middle of this whole thing? This is what you're gonna get with the membership. We hope that you enjoy and choose a membership that is comfortable with you. And I would tell you just a little bit more detail after the sirens. Oh my God. One last thing that I'll leave you with is that the membership is billed monthly and it's charged to your credit card. If you're ever unhappy, you just have to get off the membership and just continue to go about your life. So there's no long-term contracts. There's no notice of like 60 days. When you cancel and you finish out that month that you've already paid for. So it's a great way to be able to have a secure payment, and it's handled directly through Google itself. We hope to see you on the membership, and check the community comments on the community tab of our homepage, and you will see when there's comments just for membership, because the members are the only ones that will see those unless it's meant for everybody. We'll see you there.